Yeah, I think it's about time to play with this guy. Let's see if I can get him running. So McCulloch, Super 33. Oh, what a fucking ball anchor.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track.
What a tank. Look at that bar on that son of a bitch. Look at that thing. I'm going to try getting her running. Had a slight issue with it wanting to pull over. So I think there might be some rust in the cylinder or something. Let's see what we can do with this thing real quick. This thing's been sitting in the garage for about a year or so. And I haven't monkeyed with it at all. I did try pulling it over, and it seemed like the motor was a little tight. But I just found out I'm just a big pussy. It's actually compression. It actually turns over. So my next step is going to see if I got spark. I was playing around here and I figured out that's where the spark plug is. Come on, fucker. Be really careful not to tear the boot or anything. Fuck anything up. Sorry guys, I haven't done anything like this in a super long ass time, so bear with me. Hopefully when I pull this fucker over I'm not in your way. The little back over here by the handle is a little kill switch. Check this shit out. That spark. I highly doubt that carburetor is going to take any gas, but yeah, it's a positive thing. I got sparkies. That's good. Okay, let's see what it says here for fuel. It says right on the cap. One pint of 30 weight into 2 gallons. Yeah, I don't really want to make that much fuel up. Don't want to. But I'm done playing with this for the night. It's Friday night. I got beer calling me. I just want to see how big a cluster this saw might be to me. So yeah. Not sure exactly what the hell I'm going to do with it. Not sure I want to go full out, clean it up, and at least get it running. At least say I cut some wood with it. But yeah. Catch y'all later. Bye.
Want bone?